Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I hope you're doing well. Today's video is another advent calendar unboxing, but it's not a beauty advent calendar today. We have a Yankee candle. Now I love Yankee candles. I have a million of them, and the candles from their Christmas ranges are probably one of my favourite scents ever. Like the Christmas wreath, the cherry on ice, I don't think they do that one anymore. And the winter glow, I've got one up here. But yeah, I've got a bunch of them up there, like the, I think it's like apple and something raspberry wreath. Like a whole bunch of them. I just love them so much. So when I saw they've got a Yankee candle advent calendar and there are new scents in this advent calendar, I had to buy it to obviously show you guys what is inside it and also see what the new scents smell like. So I got mine off of Yankee Candle website. I think it might have been around £35. I will put like the actual price here if I did get it wrong. I think it's well worth the price. So it is an advent calendar unboxing video, so it is going to be a spoiler video. So if you don't want to see what is in this advent calendar, if you're waiting till December for your box, then please don't watch this video. I do have a lot of other videos that you can watch. Yeah, so please go and watch one of them instead. And here is what the box looks like. It has loads of sparkle on the front. It's got a ribbon to hold it together because I'll show you how you open it in a minute. It's just very, very pretty. So what you have to do is take this ribbon off. So bring it out like that. To put it back if you want to keep it, I'm going to bring you out a bit just to see if we get a bit more in there. So I'm just going to put it onto its side and then you just open it up. And it's got three, let's see if we can, so you open it up and it looks a bit like that. I don't think I can get it any more opened. So yeah, that is the advent calendar and it has Christmas trees and animals on there. It's very, very pretty. Let me see if I can bring it up. There we are, this is what it looks like. It's got animals, very Christmassy. And there we are. So I hope you guys kind of got a idea of what it looks like. That'll have to do. So obviously we start off with number one, and it is here. So number one is this little candle and it is the All Is Bright. This was a scent from last year. This was one of my favourite ones. I think I got like a bigger one, but I gave it to my mum for Christmas last year. So I do like this smell. So that is door number one. So for number two, it definitely makes it a lot harder when you've got different places to look, but I think it's down here. For door number two, we have this Perfect Tree. This is a new scent for this year, and it's not like a sweet smell. It's quite musky, I would say, but it's not bad scent. So that is door number two. So now on to day number three, and it's here. So for day number three, we have a tea light candle. And I'm not actually sure what this scent is, as it doesn't actually say, but I will try and find it out and write it down here, and obviously for the other tea light candles, which other ones we get, because I am not sure what it is, but it does smell nice. So that is day three. I'm sorry I can't tell you what they are, it just doesn't say. So now we're on to day four. This is one of the new smells. This is Frosted Gingerbread. It smells okay. It's probably not my favourite. It's very, very bitter. It does smell like gingerbread. It's just very, very strong of gingerbread. As I keep smelling it, it gets better. It does get better. Not bad. I can't wait to make some gingerbread this Christmas. So now we're on to day five. Again, we have a tea light candle, and I think this is the Frosted Gingerbread. Again, if I'm wrong, I will have it down here, but it does kind of smell like it, so I think it's a Frosted Gingerbread. Not bad though. So now we're on to day six. So for day 6 is another tea light candle, and this one smells absolutely amazing. I love that one. Again, I don't know what it is. Really, they should have it like engraved at the bottom, because they do have a Yankee candle engraved there. So it would be quite nice to have it here maybe, to actually tell you what it is. But again, it smells amazing. Really, really nice. So for day number 7, where are you? Here we are, here. For day number 7, we have this Winter Wonder, and I think this might be a new scent. We do have the All Is Bright and then the Winter Glow, and that's from last year. So I think this is the new one this year, Winter Wonder. It smells very nice. It's kind of got like a mint smell to it. I do like it, not bad. So now on to day 8. So for day 8 we have a new smell, and this is Crackling Wood Fire. And it's like a soft violet shade or purple shade. Grey shade. And this is a new smell. I really like that, but I don't know why, what it smells like to me. It smells really, really nice. It's not what you'd think it would smell like. It's very fruity, if that makes sense, like sweet. It smells very sweet. Yeah, not bad. So for day 9 is over here again. And for number 9 we have another tea light. And again, I'm not sure what this one is. I don't know if it's one of the ones we have already. Don't think it's that one. It might be this one. Might be All Is Bright, but I'm not too sure. Doesn't really smell of anything, so I can't actually tell what it is. So for day 10 is just here. So for day 10 we have another tea light candle. And again, I think it might be the Gingerbread. I will research and see what these smells actually are in the tea light form and write them in the video somewhere. So now on to day 11. So for day 11 we have this spiced white chocker. Oh, that smells absolutely amazing. Love the smell of the spiced white chocker. Very nice. So for now, day 12, we're here. So for day 12 we have another tea light candle, and it is we finally have one that is actually one that we've got, and it's the Crackling White Fire. I can definitely tell these are the same. Yes, definitely the same. So we do have a little tea light candle of the same Crackling Wood Fire. So we have one that matches. So for now, day 13. So for day 13 we have another tea light candle, and it smells like the Winter Wonder. They smell exactly the same. Yeah, so I'm saying these are the same, but I will obviously correct myself down here if I am wrong, but I think they are. So now on to day 14. So for day 14 we have another scent, and this is the Glittering Star. It smells very fruity. We haven't had any tea lights in this one. I can definitely say we haven't yet. Oh, it just smells really nice. I would definitely get the bigger version of this one. So really, really nice. For day 15 we have another tea light candle, and it's again in the same one as this one. We're not sure what this one is yet. We haven't had a bigger version of it yet, but it does smell nice though. Day 16 is here. Day 16, another tea light, and it's the same smell as this one. We haven't got a bigger version of this as well, so I'm not sure what this one is called, but it does smell nice. So I can't wait to get a bigger version to actually see what this is. So for day 17 is here. So we have another tea light for day 17, and I think this is the Winter Wonder again. It does smell like them. So we have 2 tea light candles and then one of these as well for the Winter Wonder. They smell really nice. Very subtle, that one. So now on to day 18. Let's see if we can find it. Here we are. So we have Christmas Magic for day 18. This one smells really good too. but I'm not sure if this is a new scent for this year. I feel like I've seen it last year or something like that, but it's a really, really nice smell. It's got kind of like cinnamon in there, very spicy. That is a good one for Christmas. Love it. So on to day 19. So for day 19 we have a Crackling wood fire tea light. So we have two of the tea lights, and I think they're called like the VOTIVE candles. Again, it'll be here if I'm completely wrong. I probably pronounced it completely wrong as well. The VOTIVE ones, the VOTIVE. So we have, I think that's probably going to be 2 tea lights and then one of those candles, and then that's probably what we're going to get of each. But let's carry on and see. So it's for day 20 now. Okay, so we have a Christmas cookie. We had this one last year, I am pretty sure, but it smells good. Probably not one of my favourite Christmas smells, but it does smell nice. It's very soft. It smells like sweet, like, I don't know, like frosting. It smells like frosting, but it is nice. Really, really nice one. Number 21. There are 22 there. Oh, my finger hurts. Here it is, 21. So we have another tea light, and I think this might be the All Is Bright tea light. I think these two go together, and then this one goes with it. So that is the All Is Bright. So for day number, what do we go for? 21. So for day number 22, it's down here. So we have a Snowflake cookie, and I think this is going to be obviously the pink little tea lights as well. Again, not my favourite scent from the Christmas range. It's kind of sweet, but then it's got kind of like bitter to it, if that makes sense. I don't know. It's not my favourite. I don't think it, I think I got this last year or something. I think I did get a calendar last year. I just didn't do a video on it. But I did get like this sort of size, and I gave it to my friend B. I gave it to Beth because she likes this. I don't, not really my favourite. But that is number 22. Number 23, we are here. So we finally find out what this scent is, and it's the Icy Blue Spruce. It smells amazing, really, really nice. It's nice and fruity. Yes, I love that. Definitely love that. So now we're on to 24. And we do have another old one. This is the Christmas Eve, which I believe was last year as well. This one is very much, I would say, like a frankincense sort of smell. Yeah, it's either frankincense or myrrh this smells like. Very musky. A very, very musky smell. So now it's on to day 25. And we get a candle holder. So you just get a candle and then pop it in, light it up, and then these little stars on there will start flashing. Really, really pretty candle holder. I'll most likely pop it on there and have them going like that. Really, really pretty. I like that. Okay, so my overall thoughts about this advent calendar. I hate the fact that the tea lights don't say what they are. Even if they could put it in the little things here, it would have been so much better than not knowing what the scents are. Now I've got to actually research and see what they are, because I don't know if I've got them right or not. They could just easily put them on the bottom here as well, or on the doors. I'm sorry I couldn't actually be sure of what the scent was. I will try to research and find what they are. But yeah, that's how it goes apparently. I love the new smells for this year. The Icy Blue Spruce, I think that's called it, Icy Blue Spruce. Smells amazing. The Crackling Wood Fire, was that what it was called? Crackling Wood Fires. Really, really nice one. And then it was the Glittering Star, and yeah, they all smelled amazing except from the cookie ones. I don't like the cookie ones. And I love the little holder. Really, really pretty. But it was an overall a good advent calendar. The price for the box was okay, £35. It gives you kind of like, it's like samples really of what the smells are this Christmas, where you can go and get the full sizes if you want. I love the design of the box and then the pictures on there. Too bad that they're literally ripped open. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. Instagram will be down here somewhere where it's easiest to put it. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.